Welcome to the planet of the cool. Nimloteta, Yoto Ricky Worldwide, Mkosa Chris Boundaz, Nomekandazi, Dr. Zep, No Pez, and Slapok Africa Yam, Kishoka Pro Child, and I'll be your interview for today, interviewing all the coolest people Abalapa around. If I was born in a video, just know your swag is passing. Your swag is not your one. You have a passing swag if you're not here.
Make a wish. Going down, there's a going by just on a beat. Come on, come on. Going down, there's a going by just on a beat. I couldn't make it now when you patch it. Shimon, come up. Shimon was a dancer. Shimon, sing it, Jay. Turn young is all. Stand up by a fry. None of girls match. I'm a fuck for vibes. Got us in a spit. Chairman must be banning. Could be kind of scanning. But he got it, man. Long love's not your man's. Make boy sing the plan. Hello, man, Tanzanta.
Welcome to the cool people. You know what it is. Loteta, Boundaz, Nomekandazi, and a nominate on Amanor. Buddha Sneep! My brother, please explain yourself and describe about Band to the band.
Exe Marikana, Tetanus Lolo, Exe Pix Lolo, Tasnip, Young 97, Kwele, founder of his Lolo, manipulator and originator, Estoado.
You heard that? Founder of Islolo, manipulator, Nechinator, I don't know, it's Lunga, Siko, okay, but yeah, for sure. Except Buddha, please tell us, what do you think about the whole Africa the whole Pro Child event, song and NHL Apa, like tell us what's your rating, what's your doing?
Biggie pants, biggie pants, biggie pants, biggie pants. 5 out of 5.
So is it a Zap or a Pez?
It's a Zap.
Not a Pez. It's a Zap. It's a Zap. It's a Zap. It's a Zap. Okay, outfit. Tell us about your outfit. Who made this battles? Who made this doll?
Hey, straight out of the mind, bro. Straight out of the mind. I designed that shit. You carve this, that Lolo shit. Running a special for winter. Get yours for like 900 only.
Okay, what? Okay, yo, yes, Cab, okay, but yo, what it is, that's Lolo, the biggest donator, originator, whatever nator, but nator, okay, sure, Mr. Stwalo, and guys, the way,
Fethu isimeli malini kya iwume kingasemfuleni aka umeli ibhosa yasho soze ngebhedeka amadela soze fobese soze
wenze njani
yebo mina amasheri umepha I need to feel the energy.
Welcome to the planet of the cool people. Yes, my name is the Ambano Meli Malindi, the only female that's out here killing it. If you don't have Meli in your lineup, I don't know what you're doing. About 9 number, yeah, okay. But like, until serious, I'll be like. We just experienced a performance yako, you killed it. Please tell us about like we practice any la performance, like that killing thing. Like when, how did it come about?
Okoqala soba fethu isimeli malini kya iwume kingasemfuleni aka umeli ibhosa yasho.
Oh shit, I should have said introduce, but says introduce why, okay. Ngakubene gala performance, so like okay.
So I just performed, it was wonderful. I love Strand. Strand is always so love. You practice any practice Bridges Academy, we rehearse. Tara serious uyesezayo.
Oh my God, ufuna bridges. Bridges. Okay. I'm seeing your fits. Blukwez ngulu. Crop tops. Please explain. What's the whole inspo?
I want it to be simple, I won't lie. So the fix, Mr. Price, and then sport scene, Hlangu. So I was like, I wanna be simple, man. Yeah.
So overall, how much is the fit? How much and what do you rate the fit?
Okay, Hlangu 2K plus 1K pants plus 300 skipper. You do the smalos.
Okay, John, le video. Xa isithi ihlangu 2K, ivele pa 2K. Thinking xa isithi ba into and then tidyanise yonke la way ivele. So what do you rate the fit?
I'm very simple. I'll say 7. 7 to 7.
7. I think it's a 3, guys. It's a 3. It's a 3 out of 10. She's trying though. She's trying. And Adala, guys. It's a 7 out of 10, like she's saying. The fit is cool. We wouldn't be here interviewing her if she wasn't cool. Shout out to Meili. Shout out to cool people. And Pro Child, Strand, Santana, Wither.
Ibasile, flow yakho imachile, flow yakho isamile, alo ifuthi ngigisile, angele sithani bezo, binge wasekile usaqo, yayine rap abafuna semo, awona mali alifuna network, so this stage just ain't beat and ngoko, undashile nimeze insecure, lip step I didn't think pedicure, actually me just bawana, yo, if I don't laugh, I'm feeling up go, I'm not managed to feeling those boxes, feeling up plots.
Kanye siphoseliwe angene stethu qhamuka vele kakhalipe kothi usikwato females aseke ndisofusikwato kwamantombi wasekapa I feel like asikho one man abestrand ingasibonga umnebe lapha awuncela isidwadla uncela uhlale bheki fethu luthando lodwa iza ngapha
Bacelele.
luthando lodwa iza ngapha
Bacelele.
awuncela isidwadla uhlale bheki nje
Bacelele.
masabe siya
Let's go.
This one is for the pretty girls. Abole yamantombi lento. Lele sonke. Ikopolo nothando lonke. Isikelelo zonke. Konke. Sizophumelela solo strand. Jonga. Sango.
Let's give it up for the Meili.
Interview. It's an interview. Welcome to the planet of the cool people. Ziba umbone apa. Yandazi men umdo cool. So then I'm umdo pezayo. I'm here with my brother relations. But I'm gonna let him introduce himself. What you say? What's your name?
Creed Oasis, Lotsky get money too. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Creed Oasis, Lotsky get money too. For nini?
Light skin nigga too.
Jong amnanam light skinned. Okay, fuck. You know. I saw something. This is my brother, Toriki. It's Creed Oasis, Lotsky get money too. You interview where?
Okay.
Who are you?
Interview.
Who are you?
Okay.
Who are you?
Guys.
Right. Okay. You Creed Oasis, Lotsky get money too. Can interview okay, but if you are phone,
What?
you are phone. Usho. Buka brand yakela. Yeah, ina mic yakho. Yes.
Ngosi. This guy is a superstar, guys. Shout out to him for letting me introduce him. This guy cost like 5 million for interview, but shout out.
7 for nina ibo.
Okay. So Creed, kasixela ngale ndawo sikuye fondini ba ufila njani ngale event, like how do you imincili excitos yakho, like what's going on here, OP, like what's the zap?
Yeah. Jonga ayo Africa yakho le, Africa yam le, yabo. I am Africa Yamle. Yabo. So there's performances here, yabo. We're gonna perform Make Boys, we're gonna perform here. This is Toriki, part of the Make Boys. Beyonce we Make Boys.
Rihanna,
Oh my god.
Jay-Z.
But Beyonce, we make boys.
Jay-Z.
This is my brother for real.
Jay-Z.
This we make boys. It's a Peter Basco song upper. This is like Toriki, Kid Oasis. See, part of the make boys, yeah, boy. Make Kabamba upper for the. I won't. Can throw it gang signs. Nam fit. If you're cool for the nam, can be cool fit.
Okay, throw.
I bought us to choke hectare. I bought us to choke hectare. Nigga, I bought bra. Jonga. Kato weekend sign. Can it bam bed?
Now throw it king side.
Kato weekend sign. Mpish. Bam up again.
Now I'm
Mpish.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
It's your boy.
And I be yelling out gang gang. Do you gang bang? I be outside with my gang gang. Chunk your gang signs if you gang bang. I be outside with my gang. I'm from the deuce, the boat, the big.
Udom now, yes, boy.
Ase ayikhathe ilaweza ukuthi laqhitha umjide so
And that.
Twin, my twin. That's my bitch. Funa, ha. That's my hoe, my baby. Put my punches tat. Put my punches high. Oskandi mumpet. Dollar chungas.
Let me hit, just for fun. That's my hoe, I hit and run. In the city, got many hoes. On business, 10 toes. Funandon, but to funny hoes. Namgui, highs and lows. Top big, my shining gum. Bad bitch, should do shalebra.
Kutu sebenzi kubula ngokuba besithi ushayethile
Kutu sebenzi khumbula ngokuba besithi ufekethile uzobabona bosukumisa ifestile bakujonga banqina ubukelemile Kutu sebenzi khumbula ngokuba besithi ufekethile uzobabona bosukumisa ifestile bayaqhoba banqina ubukelemile ukelemile
I must put
Big can push, I can lose. Babisa nge 1 in 2, squad by 2, I can choose. When yakathi sewa ngaphakathi, awufeel uba ngaphakathi. Ingqina ngumphakathi. Oh please ungandithakathi.
Kana bungozi ngumzalwane. Siphelisa uchuku sithandane.
Ekameni loyise masibambane, umkinzondo ke sithandane.
Thina sikumzontulu wena, ngalibala ubuntu wena.
Ithemba lamba unguwena, kando phela iJerusalema. Khumbula ngokuba besithi ufekethile, uzobabona bosukumisa ifestile. Kutu sebenzile, khumbula ngokuba besithi ufekethile. Uzobabona bosukumisa ifestile. Ukelemile 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 lo mntana
Yo, Sukas, kami sa magkalaya naman siya Toriki. Umto sa Chris Tunes Cosa, Sasekapa.
Sukaza. Really tell them, bro. One thing I'll say first, I love your content. I love how you rebrand yourself from whatever you were doing to like what you're doing now. It's really like impressive and it's organic, yeah. But just besides everything here, but please tell us, man, what's the Gandoni Apa OP and like why you figure Apa was in about like what's the motion? What's the zap?
Yeah, I'm okay. Come on, listen. Whenever I'm gonna see you, I'm the next manager. But the reason why I pull up to some events because of is when KP artists chill. But there's something I wanna enlighten or highlight, play, interview. Since you're here and I'm here, to everyone who knows me, who knows what he can, don't think I hate this nigga. But yeah, I shout out to him. I love him, Chida. But the thing is, I once said I don't like you, but I wish I told. But yeah, I said that. Maybe you don't know it, yeah. But I once said I don't like his song, but I like him. Yeah, you the best nigga, bro. Wow. I just don't like the song, you know. I mean, I fuck with you.
Wow. This guy just make me emotional, guys. Just make me emotional.
I don't do that.
It just made me emotional, guys. It's around time now.
Honestly, dog, I like you, dog. I'm a fan of your shit. It's only that one song, but I feel you, dog. Nigga, you're him.
Oh, so you don't like that song?
I don't like the song, dog. But I like you. I like the whole EP, yes. I like that. I like the song, yes. I love the way with the simulations and K-Kid.
Oh yeah, Masambi.
Sammy, yeah, I like that. Like you, him, dog. But the thing is, I don't want you to feel some type of way because of I didn't like one of your projects. Yeah, I don't want you to hate me because of that shit, dog.
Yeah, bro, you are speaking your mind. It's good to share feedback, yeah, bro. Just that I took it the other way. Well, again, but like I'm cool with it, bro. I love your work also, bro.
Yeah, I feel like I'm playing skill. I'm a sucker corner.
I feel like I'm blessed because I went to that corner. Chomanino Maria.
Exantana ne color, but when they go up, but I feel like I'm blessed because upon sugar corner. Exantana ne color, but when they go up, but I feel like I'm blessed because upon sugar corner.
Chomanino Maria, I wouldn't be key. Finishing with speed. Zala ni sepi mali unigel, utim gena spira. Now would be short, pons with that veil, busy no mommy.
I'm vampire, I'm so like as I'm finished train on back here. I'm down on you, watching me to sell. She 10 toes, I connect crops, shot the high hills. And you wear me wear, draw on hill, China chest I feel. Jungle super chill, no good thing pills. Tanana neck column gag, samba turn their stomach. Get by being yaba gag, Veslam drunk and baba gag. Chica what's okay, chica might be song gag. Chama dancer gag.
Yes, sir. It's a booyah and Silapa, the planet of Bantuem. Good people only, Paukolapa and Quasi. Yes, sir. And my name is Toric Worldwide, about has no like and I am here with.
Ai, não! É só ir na Timbaza. É só na Timbaza.
Oh, yeah, what you ask them Timbaza? Oh, Mazi, as Quasi now. Please tell us about yourself. Like, what do you do? Who are you?
Okay, so now artist and content creator. So for a living, it's content creator. Yeah. It's content.
For a living, guys. For a living, for Pina only. For a tie, as much as I but for a living, what's the content? Yeah. It's a banner, Unicorn, you're wearing all white. Summary, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Please tell us what is part of it.
Nothing is fair of it, actually. Not even nothing is fair of it, actually. So I know the game of America, we try on your okay, I'm morning, but the time, who as a bad as Nobilayo, partner for Joy Poster. So, I never like that's part poster.
So nothing is part of it. If we can jail on me, but
Africa, oh, thank you, Mr. Teacher. Hey, Shalala Labul Pina. Hey, you can see yourself to the cookie. Come on, let me tell my let you live with killers. Thank you, Mr. Teacher. Shalala Labul Pina. You can see yourself to the cookie. Come on, let me tell my let you live with killers. That's a come now, the other. This is stress and I be not so killer. So I say I'm a ticket, this is 1 kilo. Hey, I'm not get up a kilo. To us with a liquid to be chichis. It's too much, so that's why I feel it. You only value a ring in this connected. The best way to smart. Charlie will be better. Ask her to give you possession. What is this t-shirt? Charlie will be there. You can see yourself to the cookie. And you're shining on the sister. Your capas on the sister. And you're shining on the sister. If we allow the people, when I say people, you say elompulo, people. When I say people, you say elompulo, people. If you don't do that, then you're born. Let's go.
igama lale ngoma ngumlilo wezifo. Yeah, masiye ngithini yisibhili sidlele likhula ngayo qhubuyabila ngoba ngibhizi ngifake isizi kozindawo ngene iminyawo bana baninzi ngakubona iqiko lomculo lihamba ngenyawo ababhilive bandim phela ningandeni ukuphumula kweqiko kwenzela abagcwele ngokwelimi lami bonke abacinga abagcwele bakhalele phiyo bathola umthamo kukhulipali kuphuma sohlale no abona ivileyo ayiqale no I respect energy yanibonile energy from the top eqaleni ikhini basiye 1 2 3 sizele ndikhula ngayo loqhaqho yamila wala begizi ngifake isivi kuzindawo ngene iminyawo anabayithi xa bepolitiko lomculo lihamba ngenyawo ababhilive bandim cela ningandeni ukuphumula kweciko kwecala bagcwele ngokwelimi lami bonke abaciko bagcwele bakhalele phiyo kaphuma kumthamo phela baqeda baqahola iculo kwanini babame ngenyawo ababhilive bandim cela ningandeni Litera simpele amadoda amadala amakhwala yahaza Jika majika nakile mashina mashina mshaywa Kila fanele uqedela bafile baswayiswela sibhaba Kile kasile mkukwini iplani ukuphuma sohlale sabhaba
So guys, welcome to the Cool People Collective. Come to say my kind no, my friend. Like, keys. Yeah. Okay, then, ever since Nick watching our country, where the woman is. That's the say. Guys, you're going to your money up at South Africa. You're going to your money up. Yeah, for me. Yeah, it's a man. I'm going to the capital. You're going to take your money. Alibuza gumwena anani balibuza bangabana kingasimnyama kazi ngoku flesko deal no party